Multi-level review. Multi-level review. This feature, when enabled, helps for multiple review once the audit is submitted and accepted by the auditee, thus allowing multi-level verification process up to 5 levels under simple multi-review or audit outcome-based review process. The multi-levels can be defined by the superadmin while configuring the workflow. Defined roles can be tagged in against each review level. Purpose: useful for those organizations where there is a series of hierarchy being followed before the head of audit finalizes the audit. Adds more control to every audit and provides more flexibility in finalizing the audit. This training video is about multi-level review feature. Kindly log into Audit 360 login page and enter your credentials. While configuring the audit type, enable the toggle button stating Allow multiple level audit review. There are two types of multi-level audit review option. 1. Simple multi-level review. 2. Audit outcome-based review. 1. Simple multi-level review. If simple multi-level review option is selected, superadmin has an option to select up to 5 different review level, ranging from 1 to 5. Different levels can be mapped with any role present in the system who have access to review audit module. Superadmin has an option to modify under audit type configuration the configuration by adding or deleting the roles, provided that the respective audit type should not be in progress or not started stage. Up to 5 review levels can be selected, and 5 different roles can be mapped against each level. This level can be defined by the superadmin while configuring the audit. The role mapped against review level 1 will get the option to recommend the audit first. The recommendation will move in the order of the sequence mapped under review level. The role mapped last in the review level will get the option to finalize the audit. Note: the roles selected cannot be repeated. Post-audit execution and sign-off by Auditee. The role defined against the review level 1 to click on Review Audit module and search for the audit type, or by using the different search options like date, location, audit status, Auditee, auditor-wise. The audit type will appear in the accepted state. To view all the details of the checkpoint, click on the Edit option. Once the checkpoints is reviewed, click on the Main Audit Recommendation tab. Can click on the Summary option to view the summary. If clicked on Summary, the whole audit summary can be viewed. Click on View Review Log. Once click on View Audit Log, the mapping by each role, the status of the audit can be viewed, that is, up to which level the review is being reviewed and recommended, and information like who was viewed, when it was viewed, which are the remaining levels and roles. All such details can be viewed. Click on the cross button to close and go back to the main review page. Post recommendation by the review level 1 role. The audit type will be reviewed by the second review level role, and this process will continue till the last level. The last level role will get the option to review and finalize the audit. Click on the Review module. Search for the audit type. Here the status of the audit type will be in review state. Once reviewed, the review button will be changed into finalized. Note, if re-audit is opted by any of the role, then the requested checkpoint or checkpoints need to be re-audited either by same auditor or any other auditor who is part of the same cluster as suggested. Then, the said audit type will go through the sign-off process by the Auditee for the re-audited checkpoint or multiple checkpoints, and the review process for the re-audited checkpoint or checkpoints will be done by all the roles as configured. 2. Audit Outcome-Based Review. Under Audit Outcome-Based Review option, after the audit execution and review, the finalization of the audit is done based on the outcome of the audit by the authorized role defined while configuring the audit type. Under Audit Configuration, the superadmin gets two options to configure the audit that is based on 1. Actual score slab and 2. Percentage-based slab. 1. Actual score slab. Depending upon the total score. From 2. Outcome and authorized finalization can be defined. Once done, click on Submit. 2. Percentage-based slab. From and to percentage, along with the outcome and authorized finalization can be defined. Depending upon the outcome of the audit, the defined authorized finalization role can only finalize the audit. Post the audit is signed off, based on the configuration done, the workflow moves to the respective role for recommendation to the next level. Depending on the outcome of the audit, in this case, the first level of recommendation will flow to the last hierarchy level, who has an option to edit or can suggest for re-audit, and moves upward for recommendation up to the role defined under authorized finalization. Note, the roles is defined based on the hierarchy level. Level 1 to level 10, wherein level 1 will be the lowest hierarchy. For recommendation, the workflow moves from lowest hierarchy level to higher hierarchy level under multi-audit review, either based on percentage slab or based on actual score. Post-recommendation, given by the last role under authorized finalization, as it moves upward for recommendation, and the status will be in review. The same can be checked by clicking on Summary and View Review Log tab. The chain of sequence cannot be skipped. If skipped, then the role, who is above the previous role, as per configuration, will not get the recommendation tab. Once the audit is executed, depending on the audit rating, the authorized person will get the option to finalize the audit as per the configuration defined for the audit type. Post-recommending, by all the other roles defined under authorized finalization, the workflow moves to the highest hierarchy level for finalization of audit. Similarly, the process works for the outcome if it based on percentage slab. Thank you.